Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a review on a wig this company sent to me. It's from Beauty Forever, an Amazon company. It's a headband wig. So let me just show you what comes in the box. Of course, the wig. This color is pretty. The wig came, of course. First it was the wig. Two different headbands, the cheetah print and flower floral. I don't know what this is, like a Christmas bracelet and a wig cap. So first let me try to lay my edges down. Grab my favorite combination for my edges, which is the Boost Edge Control and Gots to Be gel. Trying to do something different and that did not work out. I thought I had a darker wig cap somewhere, but can't find it, so I'm going to use the one they provided me. Alright, let's put this wig on. So, the inside of the wig, first before I put it on, it has 1, 2, 3 combs. 1, 2, 3, and one in the back, 4, and this little part you can adjust, make it a little bigger or smaller on both sides, and then Velcro headband. I don't want to use any of the combs, so I'm going to try not to put those in my head. Oh, I think I like it. Oh, yeah. Maybe I do have to use one of the combs. Oh, this is it. I don't know if I should curl it. Should I curl it? I might bump it a little teeny bit. Alright, headband time. Let's play with a couple headbands. This one doesn't even go with what I have on, so I'll try this one on. A back shot of the hair. This is cute. Okay. Next headband. So this headband I got from SEMAINE. And I have purchased this one from SEMAINE as well. Okay, so pros and cons about the wig. Go with the pros. I am a wig beginner, so this is definitely easy to put on. It takes less than 5 minutes to throw on. I really like how it looks. It looks so natural. Can't really tell it's a headband wig at all. And I even like it if I don't wear a...
Oh shit.
Even if I don't wear a colorful headband, it don't look too bad with just the black headband. It's easy to throw on. Like I said, it's great for my ladies that are beginners with wigs like I am. And it's so pretty. The color look really great. I like it. Lightweight. Something you can throw on real quick and keep it moving. The con is, I don't know what type of cut they did to this hair, but it's like, I don't know, it's supposed to be layers, but they chopped it up. I don't know why they did that. And also, it's kind of on its inside, so if you're used to having a full wig or a lot of bundles in your head, yeah, this is just, it's not a lot. So it could be a pro and a con. A pro to me because I kind of like it to be a little thinner because it looks natural, but then at the same time, it is like real, like it's missing a couple tracks. And then also another con is it sheds a lot. Yeah, I have a lot of hair. I didn't even curl it yet, and there's a lot of hair that's coming out just from me touching it. But other than that, I like it. Overall, I really do like it. So let me go ahead and bump it a little bit. I really don't want any curls. I just want it to be a little straight. Bend from it from being inside the pack. Is it. I'll give you a little close-up. Color is so pretty. Really, really like the color. They did a great job of coloring this hair. This is so cute. I really like this. I'm so pleased. I didn't know what to expect. This is my first headband wig, and this is my, I like my third wig. So I'm still new to this wig game, and this is so easy and convenient. I really do like these headband wigs. This will not be my last one. Tell me what you guys think about headband wigs. Have you purchased one? Will you try one? It's the new trend that's going around right now. So I had to get my hands on one and see what it was all about, and it's definitely worth the hype. So the link to this wig will be down in the description box below if you want to check it out and get your own. Have you ever tried a headband wig yet? Would you try a headband wig? I think this is the best thing they came out with. They should have came out with headband wigs a long time ago. This is so beginner friendly, and I really, really like the color. So cute. I'm gonna have to get me a black one, a curly one, like a natural hair one. Yeah, I love these wigs. Well, thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Stop! I'm trying to do a video. What the hell? He is showing off.